So please clap your hands for our performance. Buy our tickets, no? Baka nyo kami sa SM Moa.
Ang tahimik naman dito tumatawa, walang sumasagot, nagsisisi. Kasalanan ba ako habang ikaw
natutulog.
Sino yung papakal ng bote?
Please buy our ticket, please. Don't forget to watch our concert. Yeah, so slow touch tayo, slow touch, no? And yes, perfecto itong abay by Boss Rod Dantay.
Tol.
Boss Rod. Perfecto itong abay. Yeah. Please buy our tickets, guys. Nasa SMO na po. Concert namin 2026. Puso ay nagturugo, hindi mo yata alam kung saan ka patungo.
Ikaw ay naliligaw, isip ay nalilito, ayaw mo nang gumalaw, hindi ka sigurado. Ikaw ay
Mamuna.
Ikaw ay nakukuwi, minsan nabubulaga, mata ay nakapiling, daan ay kadiliman. Ikaw ay nadadapa, nabibilayan, di makapagsalita, anong ibig sabihin?
Wala namang perfectong tao.
Ano ba ang epekto kung meron kang defekto? 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 Ikaw ay mawawala, minsan ay nawawalan, di ka naniniwala, puno ng alangan. Ikaw ay nanliliit, ligtas ka ba sa rehas? Bakit ka nakapiit? Bakit ka tumatakas? Ikaw ay natatakot, parang walang hangganan. Ang kirot ng bumubot, di mo makalimutan. Ikaw ay nanlulumo, bilang ng mga araw. Gusto mo nang sumuko, bundok ang natutunan. Wala, wala namang perfectong tao. Ano ang epekto kung meron kang defekto? 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 Ikaw ay inaalon, walang kalaban-laban. Tuluyang nalulunod, tungo sa kalaliman. Ikaw ay naluluha, agad kang nahuhulog. Bumabaksak sa lupa, at biglang natutulog. Ikaw ay nagdurusa, kaya pa bang tumagal? Hindi na makahinga, lalo pang nasasaktan. Ikaw ay dumadaig, dala mo ba ay sumpa? Parang ang ililibig, ang hingin nagluluksa. Wala namang perfectong tao. Ano ang epekto kung meron kang defekto? Ano ba ang epekto kung meron kang defekto? Ano ba ang epekto kung meron kang defekto? Ano ba ang epekto kung meron kang defekto? Wala namang perfecto.
Ayaw na. Puro paus na.
Kasi pa lang. Tuwan po. Favorite ko yun ah.
Iba muna. Ala ano na, puro ano eh.
Lahat naman dahil, paborito mo eh.
Iba muna.
Nice one, Tol! Alam mo naman, araw-araw kita tatamlahin, pero hindi kita iiwan, Tol!
Just once.
Akit na ako!
I would be
Tapos wala. Uy, puta, sino bibili niyan? Si Mark?
James Shop. Close your eyes. My best wasn't good enough. It was what I've been before. Seems like it changes, but while the good times never last for long. Now I'm going wrong. Just walk, let me find a way to finally make it right, to make the magic last for more than just one night. I know we could break through it if we could just get do it just once. I hope you understand why it always comes back to the light. And what can we give ourselves? Can I take to one another? We're no good without each other. Take the best and make it better, and find a way to make it better. And just one, can we find a way to finally make it right? Oh, make it magic last for more than just one night. I know we could break through it if we could just get through it just once. Oh, we can get to it and just once. Tangin nyo ha. Itry nyo na. Just twice.
Uy, ba't nagtago ka na dyan?
Tuwang ko, nakikita na yan ah.
Kanina yan.
Babu!
Wait, kakabay lang ko.
Very important to ha. Araw ng mga puso. Iskisin ng mga puso. Naglalaban eh. Na-witness men ka kaya tuwa mga bata. And I'm here. The world was big before you make it real. That the love I have for you will see no one thing. Well, if you feel it through my eyes, then you should know that there is nothing wrong, nothing to fear. And the day of love is long, those people told me. And we can make it to the night, and you know the world could die, and everything may die, still you should cry. Still you should cry. Don't stop my pass, but longer than it lasts, I'll be by your side, forever by your side. your side. I want you to know what you done, and everything that I still you should cry. So stop being fast, and everything will last. I'll be by your side, forever by your side. Forever by your side, so you won't cry. Yes, I'm 7.1.
Asan yung ano ko? Asan?
Kalma sana ang ulo mo sa una. Katawan mo ay aking kukumutan. Mga problema'y iyong malilimutan. Habang tayo'y magkayakap sa dilim. Huwag mong pigilin kung nais mapaluha. Pakiramdam mo, sana'y guminhawa. Kung gusto mo ay magsigarilyo muna, bago tayo magkayakap sa dilim. Heto na ang pinakahintay natin. Heto na tayo magkayakap sa dilim. Okay, sarap ng mga nakaw na sandali. Habang tayo'y magkayakap sa dilim. Habang tayo'y magkayakap sa dilim. Heto na ang pinakahihintay natin. Heto na tayo magkayakap sa dilim. Okay, sarap ng mga nakaw na sandali. Habang tayo'y magkayakap sa dilim. Ika na, sumiping ka sa kama. Lasapin natin ang ating pagsasama. Sa ating pag-ibig, tayo ay umasa. Habang tayo'y magkayakap sa dilim. tayo. Ay, di yun sa akin.
Uulan na ito.
Barrio. Oh,
One can smile.
Can't smile without you.
I can't lie and I can't see. I'm finding it hard to do anything.
Dice Dios es el
I feel glad when you're glad. If you only knew what I'm going through, I just can't smile without you.
Sing a song.
And brighten my days. You believe that you were apart. Though it seems like years away, and now I can't smile without you. I can't smile without you. I can't love, I can't sing. I find it hard to do anything. You see, I feel sad when you're sad. I feel glad when you're glad. If you only knew what I'm going through, I just can't smile. Now some music, happiness stay so very long to find. Well, I'm finding it hard, leaving your love behind. And you see, I can't smile without you. I can't smile without you. I can't laugh, I can't sing. I find it hard to do anything. You see, I feel sad when you're sad. I feel glad when you're glad. If you only knew what I'm going through, I just can't smile.
You're alive. Something. Angie Rolling Stone, Radio, this is your last song. Yeah, sound check.
Nakalimutan ko